Explore two popular debt repayment strategies, the Debt Snowball and Debt Avalanche. The Debt Snowball method focuses on paying off your smallest debt first. Make minimum payments on other debts, then roll that payment to the next. This approach provides psychological wins as you see debts disappearing quickly. However, the debt snowball may result in higher interest costs over time. The Debt Avalanche method prioritizes paying off high-interest debts first. Make minimum payments on other debts, focusing extra payments on the highest interest rate. This approach can save you more money by minimizing interest paid. However, you may experience delayed psychological wins with this method. Consider your personal goals and financial situation when choosing a strategy. You can also explore hybrid approaches combining elements of both methods. Take control of your debt today and start building a brighter financial future.